Good morning, this is Ryan Steele here at MarineMAx in Pompano Beach. I'll be walking you through our 2018 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat is completely loaded with the twin Mercury 350 motors with joystick piloting and Abaco blue hull side paint. Go ahead and move on up, show you the electronics. I don't think we're missing any options. A nice thing about the new 330 Outrage is the centerline live well. You've got aft facing seating here, a great fold out bench right there. Move on over to the helm. Twin Raymarine 12-inch Axiom screens, the upgraded 7-inch vessel view. You do have a VHF on the boat. The boat does have absolutely everything, including a vacuum flush head, the forward bow shade, scuba tank racks here. The boat's located at our store in Pompano Beach. My direct number is 954-529-0020. Happy to answer questions about this and any other model. Thank you and have a great day.